Hey friends, hey guys, you're most welcome to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this new video today, I'm going to be walking with you guys, showing you some simple basic in PHP as I try to explain to you some of the things that you need to master in life before you proceed go further with your programming. Now today I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm going to just walk within some of the projects I do have here. Coming up with just some simple demo structure or demo site like this, whereby you can definitely maybe add some kind of products into the system. You have the admin dashboard whereby you can definitely add some products into the system, and maybe things like this to come up with such kind of short maybe e-commerce or shopping website in a simple term, to come up with something like this. And then you have doing it from scratch. This is not WordPress. I don't deal with the WordPress. For you guys who want WordPress, you can go for WordPress, but for most of my systems I do design, I do make them without using WordPress. So for instance, if I happen to come back down here in the system, I can delete whatever is there by just going to my I'll simply say to this project here where they say uploads, and if I remove everything from there, definitely I will be having nothing. It's just driven as application. I think you can see I have now nothing. All of them are removed off. The same thing happens here. I don't have anything now, and the same thing this side I have nothing apart from if I go to database here. So I'm just going to explain to you this kind of system. If you are interested, I'm going to give the link on the description where you can download this source code of mine. And for you guys who want to buy this system and can maybe want me to make for you such a kind of shopping system, you can always reach me. So I'm going to just show you in demonstration. The first thing to do, I think you can see there's no record yet. Even if you go else in category, there's nothing we have. So if this is a shopping kind of application, I'm just going to be using some more demo of mine from here using this my Photoshop. So I'm going to just be showing it live from here from Photoshop, and I'm just going to be generating up for you guys a given simple file. Now without wasting time, I don't have photos yet, so what I'm going to be doing at the moment is to just make sure I'm on my PC. I'm just going to be selecting here. Maybe I have that as the first one, so I'm going to just be saving it in the desktop. Call number 5, that's going to be in image 1 or whatever, I don't know. So I'm going to just use the previous image which I already have there to save time. So for instance, the first category we have, maybe if it is shopping stuff, I will say fruits. Remember, if I add the category fruits, will be all fruits added. But remember, when you add the category, does not come in here. You see, we have nothing yet. That's it. We don't have anything yet in the system. And as I said, the products in the store, you have zero. You have zero product in the store, and this part of the system that maybe you guys are seeing is not yet having anything. And that's it. That's why you see I have nothing in the system. So I have zero product in the store. If you also want to add other more products, maybe vegetables, things like that. You can also add other more products, like maybe say maybe say fish. Is a fish a product? I don't know, whatever. Just giving some assumption. So we have so far 3 categories, and if I happen to go back here and add products, I'm just going to add the first one as whatever you would like to give. I'm just going to change this one to common blah blah stuff. So it's a fish kind of font. I don't know if we have one exist. So I'm just going to be going back to my PC inside my desktop, and I look for music, and then there I have the following. So this number 1, and then the price, I'm going to just put that to 60,000, and then the categories under maybe whatever. Let me just put that on the fonts to simplify life, so that don't become a quite full. So just have that one on the fonts, and I say if you go back here, you can always select what you want. And I'm going to just be giving the price to be that maybe 60,000, and the flats phone, and it's like here. I think you can see the categories that I added, and when you try to cross check on the system, you should just get that the price is there, and that categories fonts, and you see, just like magic. And it cannot load because we have only that so far. And I think you can see this takes that, so even here shows the total products. There is 1. So if you definitely go back into the system and add more, I can select that. It's just under fonts, and that's it. So far, if you try to cross check, this will be definitely true, but, and even here also will be true, those are still under fonts. But if you look onto this, these are all fonts. But if you look onto that, that falls under fonts collection. You see, so that's a collection. It is a collection. So if I create another category, like for instance, fruits, like I've said fruits. So if I say these fruits, which fruit do you have? We have pineapple. Whatever, I don't know the spelling, guys. I'm just trying to do my best to give, so make sure you guys understand this application of mine. Maybe it's 20,000 or whatever, 2,000, I don't know, whatever, that's under fruits. And then if I click there, I think you can see it says product added. And so far, if you check here, we should have the second product, and that's under fruits collection. And the same thing applies here. We should be having up this, and these are limited to 3. If I cross check this code very well, I limited this to 3, whereby we don't pick more than 3 in the database. So I think it is a good practice, because products in the store, whereby select everything from there, where this, so I'm not going to limit that to 3. What if I add another product here? You just add anything here, maybe come on that, and this is that. So I check this to be, this is the price, and then I say that's phone. So if I check that to that, yeah, that's it. I've limited this to 3. That's why you see here shows 3. I've limited this I didn't limit, so this you can definitely shook and wash as all as wish, as many as you wish. And then this I happen to limit that to 3. I think I have that somewhere where I say view all. Let me check that view all. So view all, comes product from there, group by product that, order by that, and then here limit 3. This is what I've just said to you. So this definitely does that, and this is what I've given here. I'm limiting, and that's it. That's why I said this. I'm limited to 3, so we can only get 3 people on the database. The first thing that people view, and I would have said that the first one goes, and then what you see as the new things. So the system has that ability to generate that given products like that, and also the categories are added on this side here. Get? So that's it. We have the categories added there. So guys, if you found this video interesting, and also the smartphone views, they are really responsive, and I think really nice application. You can always just drag and drop and flip it wherever you want. If you're interested in micros, or whatever, I don't know how they call it. If you check that, shake this, and that's it. So if you shake here, get so something like that type. Yeah, so just simple application. So if you guys are interested in such a kind of things, you can just let me know, so that I can always give you a hand and how basically you can come up with your own application for making something of this kind. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be putting up the down link here, where you guys can always find this video if you are interested. I'm going to be putting this video down on the link description, so that you guys can if you're interested, you can just request a source code. Or if not so, if you're interested in just me designing up for something like this for you, I can also just do that for you. So guys, thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you.